flood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got.
Real quick, guys. Today I am going to share with you guys this powerful spikes catching strategy that you are seeing right now on my screen. All right, so this particular strategy that you are seeing right here on my screen is so powerful, is so accurate, and is so straight to the point, guys. What you just need to do right now is for you to give me your listening ears. Let me explain how this strategy works before you rush into your account and start making the money. All right, so I know that you are eager and you are ready to start making the money right away, but just pay close attention. Let me explain how the strategy works and how you are going to make use of it to also scalp the markets traditionally. All right, so I am going to explain that to you guys right here and right now, and what you just need to do, as I said earlier, is for you to pay very close attention while I walk you through how all the whole process works. All right, so with that being said, guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, or if this is your first time of listening to the sound of my voice, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do here is whenever I come across any strategy that is working perfectly fine, I come to my channel here and share it with my audience, my viewers, and my subscribers. All right, so, and also I have noticed that most of you that are watching my videos are not my subscribers. Please and please, I am asking you and I'm begging you, the only money or the only payment that you are going to send to me is for you to just smash that subscribe button. It's not going to take anything away from your account, or it's not going to take anything away from you. Just smash that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel, and also be sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop a notification to that I have shared another valuable content that will help you pave your way in trading industry. So that is how it is, guys. And with that being said, guys, I am going to walk you through how this strategy works and how you are going to use it to catch multiple spikes on boom and crash, and also how you are going to use it to quick scalp the boom and crash traditionally. All right, so be sure to pay very close attention. Let me share how these things works and the zones and the requirements that you need before opening any position. I am going to detail that here so that you will make the best out of this strategy, guys. All right, so now first thing first, guys, when you look at this particular when you look at my screen right now, you will see the spikes and the normal way that you are going to trade boom and crash. First and first, this is crash 1000, guys, and this is 1 minute time frame. This strategy, you are going to use it on 1 minute time frame, and the zoom level that I'm using is just zoom level 3, guys. All right, so now this is how this strategy works. Whenever this blue cloud gets to this our level, this is our 84 level here. Whenever the blue cloud gets to this our 84 level, be sure to open your position. Immediately open your position for sell. If you are on crash 1000, open your position for sell. All right, once you open your position for sell, as soon as this blue cloud gets to this particular 84 level, open your position for sell. Once you open your position for sell, look at what happened here. You see spike drop down. All right, so now for me, this is just scalping, whether you are catching spikes or you are trading the boom and crash traditionally. All right, so what I believe in is if you have a small account, this is how you are going to go about it, because many people will be teaching you guys to, once you open your position on spike catching, once you open any position that you are catching spikes, once spike happens once, that you are going to let that position continue running, that another spike is going to happen. I do not advise that, because I don't know the account size that you are using, or your account size. All right, so I advise that whenever any spikes happen, be sure to close that position and wait for another one. All right, so that is how it is. And when you look at it here, for me, I have big account size, so I can as well open here and allow it to get to this place. That is, I open at this level 84 and allow the whole cloud or the whole stuff here to get to this level 16 before I close my trade. But for you, I don't really know the account size that you have. So once the cloud gets to 84 level here, you open your position for sell. Once you open your position for sell, as soon as the spike happen, then give it 2 minutes. All right, that is what I mean by 2 minutes. Is give it 2 candles. Once after the spike happened and the second the first candle formed after the spike and it did not spike again, the second candle that will form, and after at the close of that particular second candle, if it fails to spike again, close that particular position. All right, that is how it is. That is how you are going to catch spike, because if any spike is going to happen again after the first spike happened, it will not it will be at the interval or within 1 to 2 minutes of that first spike. So that is how you are going to make a lot of money from this. All right, so I believe if you are watching till now, you'll be able to understand what I explained. Now if you want to trade with this strategy traditionally, that is if you are trading what's it called, if you are trading crash 1000, if you want to trade it by default, you should be buying crash, all right, not selling. But if you are catching spike, you should be you will be selling, not buying. All right, so now if you want to trade crash 1000 traditionally, that is you are buying crash 1000 with this strategy. As soon as you spot that this particular cloud has gotten to this level 16 here, all right, just be sure you wait, because you are going to, as soon as this spike happen, you are going to see this red, all right, you are going to see this red cloud here. So just be sure to wait for this red cloud at this level, for this red cloud to change to this blue cloud. As soon as you spot this blue cloud from this down here going up, that is when you're going to open your position for buy, and you pick 5 candlesticks, you are out of the market. All right, that is how you are going to make money with both catching of spikes and trading boom and crash traditionally with this powerful strategy, guys. All right, so I am going to share the settings with you guys. Just be sure to stick with me to the end of the video. I am going to share the settings within the video, so just be sure to stay connected to the end of the video so that you get the settings and set your screen this way and start trading right away. All right, so now let's check another one. Look at this here. You will see what I'm saying. Whenever this, all right, whenever this gets to this blue cloud gets to 84 level, look at spike here, guys. All right, look at spike, look at it here. All right, you see that. So that is how this works. And let's probably let me check another pair. Let me check boom 1000. This is boom 1000 here. Let's see what is going on there. And now you can see this. As soon as this red cloud gets to this level 16, look at spike that just happened right now. All right, look at the spike that happened just now. All right, you see this. So that is how this strategy is very, very powerful. It's very, very accurate, guys. And once you spot look at it here, look at it. All right, look at this. As soon as this red cloud gets to this level 16, this is boom now. All right, this is boom 1000. You can see that here. All right, you can see that here. This is boom 1000 and this is 1 minute time frame. This strategy is strictly on 1 minute time frame, guys. All right, so now let me give you the tricks and tips that will make you that will make a lot of money for you. All right, and that will make you not to lose a dime from this strategy. Now before you embark on catching any spikes, guys, or opening or trading traditionally, first thing first, guys, be sure to click on this place. All right, come to this place. This is quote here. All right, click on this quote. Now since we are on this particular boom 1000, all right, you click on quotes so that you will know if this particular boom 1000 is buying. All right, if boom 1000 is buying with what we are going to see here on the quote, it means we will just be waiting for, as soon as this particular as soon as this particular red cloud is approaching this 16 level, we open multiple position. All right, because it's going to spike heavily. Now once we click on this quote here, we are going to do that together. Now I click on the quote. Now look at the boom 1000 here. All right, is selling normal. All right, this is the default movement of boom. All right, this is the default movement of boom, and what shows us that is this percentage. Look at this percentage here, is minus 36%, guys. That is to show you that this boom is maintaining the default movement of the pair. All right, so what you just need to do with that kind of percentage there, it means this boom is doing the normal is selling normally. That is going the normal way that boom supposed to be trading. All right, that is selling. by default boom is selling and by default crash is buying. So now once you see something like this, that is to say not because you see that boom is selling at this quote level and you will see something like this, you will just jump into the trade and start selling because you see that it's selling. No, wait for this particular thing, wait for this particular cloud to get to this level here, and once you spot this that is, if you want to trade traditionally, that is what I'm saying. If you want to quick scalp with this strategy on a default movement of boom, what you just need to do, you wait for this cloud to get to this level 84 here, and once this particular quote is still showing us that the boom is selling, and you wait for this cloud to get to this level 84 here. As soon as it gets to this level 84 here, that is when you are going to open your position for sell, and you scalp 5 candlesticks, you are out of the market, and you wait for spikes to happen. All right, so now look at this here. Let me check another stuff here. Look at another one here. All right, look at another one. You are not just going to trade every signals that you see. All right, every signals that you see, that is not what you are going to be trading. You should pick signals that will make money for you. All right, so that is how it works, guys. And look at this here. As soon as this cloud gets to this level 16 here, this is what you see, guys. All right, you see spikes up. All right, this is very, very accurate. Just be sure to follow this scalping strategy. You scalp this pair boom and crash, whether you are catching spikes or you are trading boom and crash traditionally. All right, so that is how this strategy works, and this strategy is strictly for boom and crash. All right, so and it's strictly for 1 minute time frame. Do not try to use this in any other pair. This is not for volatility 75 index, this is not for step index, this is not for jump index and all that. Just be sure to use it strictly on boom and crash. Now if you want to see if this particular, okay, let's just go back to crash 1000 here. I want to show you something. Now click on the quote here. Once you click on the quote, you can see that crash 1000 also is buying. All right, so any spike that is coming up here, any spike that is coming out here or coming out from this particular crash 1000 is just the fact that the buyers has been exhausted. That is when the spike we have. But if without that, once you check here and you see that this crash 1000 is buying with the quote, with this information that this quote is giving us here, this information here. Look at this here. Look at the information that we are talking about. This percentage. Look at 0.78%. That is to say, crash is buying by default as usual. All right. So we are not supposed to be looking for spikes here, but we can do that, or we can look for quick scalping ways by picking 5 candlesticks when we see it this way. But once we come to this particular place and we see that this place is red, that is, it's showing us this this red here, all right, instead of this blue, it means whatever we see here, whenever we see something like this, we are bound to open a position for sell, for crash, then we catch multiple spikes. So that is how this strategy works, guys. And as I said earlier, if you love content like this and you want to be receiving content like this whenever I share valuable content like this, be sure to turn on your notification bell. And also, if you want to help others that are also searching on how to locate spike catching strategy, just like this particular one that you are watching right now, be sure to smash that like button. That is the only help that you are going to give to those that have not seen this particular strategy right now. For you to smash that like button, you'll be able to, or YouTube will be able to pop this video up to others that are searching for content like this. All right, so that is how this strategy works. And also, I am going to share the settings with you right now. And before I do that, if you want me to mentor you on how to trade boom and crash profitably and volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices, I am going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this particular video that you are watching. I mean the serious minded people. If you want to get started right after watching this video on how to trade profitably and successfully by venturing into mentorship, be sure to contact me. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. All right, so only serious minded people, please do not contact me on WhatsApp to ask me questions. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your questions in the comment section, and I will definitely respond to your your question. All right, so why I normally say that you ask your questions in the comment section is the fact that many people might be thinking of asking the same question that you want to ask, so that they too will get answers to their questions as well. All right, so that is how it works, guys. And also, I am going to leave the links to my book. All right, I am going to leave the link to my books in the description of this particular video. If you want to learn more about how this the Reef platform and how all these synthetic works, how to trade it profitably and how it works and how you are going to make a lot of money from it, I will advise you grab copy of those books and go through it. All right, it's very, very important, and it's going to help you a lot. All right, so that is how it is, guys. And just as I said earlier on, I'm going to share the settings of this strategy with you guys, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way and start killing the market right away. And before you dive into your real account, be sure to test it out on demo account and see how the strategy really works on your demo account before you'll be able to know what you spot on demo account, how it moves and how it works on demo account. That is what you will carry over to your real account and start killing the market with. All right, so that is how it is, guys. And here I am going to share the settings with you. Click on the F icon here. As you click on this F icon, the first indicator that you're going to add is this our stochastic oscillator, guys. All right, so you click on the stochastic oscillator. I open it right now. Pick a screenshot of this particular thing that you're seeing right now. All right, so I want you to take screenshot of what you're seeing right now. After setting your screen this way, be sure to click on this place, and you see this here. This is the major point here. All right, so be sure to set this particular place very well this way. After setting it up, then you click done. All right, you click done. Once you click done, you are going to see something like this. You are going to see this. All right, you are going to see the levels here. Then you go back to the F icon again. You click on this place here. You click on this indicator window 1. Then you add Ichimoku, guys. All right, so you add Ichimoku. I open the settings. Look at the settings here, guys. Take screenshot of what you are seeing right now, and be sure to set your screen this way. After setting it up, you click done as usual. All right, you click done here. You click done here. All right, then that is how you are going to see your screen this way. All right, this is how your screen should look like after setting it up. So that is how it is, guys. As I said earlier on, the zoom level that I'm using here is zoom level 3. Be sure to set your screen this way before you will start asking me that your screen is not looking like mine. All right, so be sure to do that. And if you have questions, as I said earlier on, be sure to ask your question in the comment section. And if you want me to mentor you, you know what to do. Check the description in the description box of this particular video, and you will get to chat with me on WhatsApp. So that's how it is, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.